Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode we got this cool amazing right here, and basically what this is a robot vacuum cleaner, and this is from this brand right here, and they call it the MT700. So when you guys first take out the product, it should look something like this. But I'm actually open up to show you guys what the product looks like and show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you can definitely see how she has a protection layer on here. So when you take it out, you guys can see that this is basically actually looks like inside right here. So they do provide a user manual or instruction manual to teach you guys how to set up a product and how to use it. And then right underneath that is everything else. So let's take everything out. Alright, so here is the cable you're going to plug in to actually activate the product. And then right here we do have the remote. So when you take out the remote, this is basically actually looks right here. So if I bring up close, this actually looks right here. If we turn in the back part right here, this is basically where to put in the battery in here. So it does require two AAA batteries. So you definitely need to put your batteries inside right here before you guys use it. And then right here we do have the vacuum. So we take off the wrapper. This is basically what the product looks like when you guys first take it out. Eventually they do have the brand logo right here. And then basically on top right here we do have the power button. If we turn to the back part right here, this actually looks right here. So they do have the spindle wheels right here, and then we do have the roller wheel right here, and also this side as well. And then right here we do have a 360 rotatable wheel, so that way you can actually move it around. I'm assuming for the front part right here is probably the sensor and the bumper. So every time you guys bump onto the wall, it won't go to that wall anymore. And then basically right here is a trash bin. So if you guys open up, you can definitely take it out and pour out the trash. And that is basically what the inside looks right there. So basically everything that vacuums inside right here, it'll go down into this little bin. And right here, you can see we do have a filter. So if you guys open up, you can definitely replace that filter inside if you guys want to. But if you guys want to open up this part right here, just go like that and pull it open. So that way you guys can pour out all the trash. And then once you guys are done, you guys can push it back in and lock it back in. And also for this part right here, if you guys want to take it out, you can definitely do that as well. So that way, if you guys need to clean the brush on here, you can definitely do that. And then see on the side right here, we do have a power switch. So you basically want to turn that on to activate the product. So I'm not sure if you can see or not, but there is a blue indicator right here to show you guys that's on. I will show you guys again in a different point of view when we put it down onto the ground. So they do provide you guys some replacement filters right here if you guys want to use it. And then right here, we do have the charging station. So if we take it out, this is basically what the product looks right here. So the smart robot vacuum would definitely know how to actually self-charge. But basically once it goes back right here, it actually charges by itself. And top out right here, they do give you guys a little brush and a little cutter if you got to clean the actual product inside. And on the side right here is basically where you're going to plug in the cable to actually activate the product. And then you can see in the very bottom right there, they provide guys for those different brushes on here. So I'm assuming 2 for left and 2 for right. So that way you guys have one of each extra as a backup. So for this brush, you basically want to put it in the bottom of that vacuum. Let me show you guys how to actually put that on. So you basically just want to stick it onto this part right here. And then same thing for this one as well. Once you guys stick it on, that's what it actually looks like right here. And basically for the robot vacuum right here, once it fully charged, it has a runtime of 150 minutes on here. But definitely for the product, you can definitely use it on hardwood floor, or if you guys want to use it on carpet as well, you definitely can. It probably will perform a lot better if you guys use it on hardwood floor. But definitely when you see right here, the product is definitely very thin. And also for this part right here, you can definitely connect it onto the app. And the app you guys want to connect is called Smart Life. So I'm actually show you guys how to connect it first. So first what I'm going to do is activate the product and put it onto the ground first. Let me actually bring the camera over so you can see what I mean. So basically the way how you guys connect it, you basically want to press and hold this button right here while pushing the front bumper.
Connecting network.
So you see the flashing light right there. So now you guys are ready to actually connect it. So you want to connect the device. Alright, so let's rename it to Smart Robot. Alright, so we just finished connecting it. So we're ready to start using it. But you see on the app right here, this is basically actually looks right here. So you basically have the power button, a standby button, a auto clean option right here, a wall follow, a spiral, a charging base option, and it tells you guys the cleaning time, the battery life, and the cleaning area right here. If you guys want to activate it, you can definitely do that on here. If you guys want to control where it goes, you basically want to go like this. Click manual, and you basically control where to go now. So you can see the product definitely does work if you guys want to connect it onto the app. But you definitely have all these options on here to do spiral, random, auto mode, wall follow mode, and etc. And also right here, you can see they show you guys a little map to show you guys where it's cleaning as well. But let's test out the self-charging option on here to show you guys how that works and when it actually works. Alright, so we got the remote right here. Let's test it out and see how it works.
Back to charge.
So we're basically sending it back home right now to see when it actually charges.
Stop charging.
Alright, so it definitely does work. If we want to start again,
Auto cleaning. Stop cleaning.
You definitely have the option right here to go forward or backwards. That is left. That's right. And this is forward and backwards. If you guys use spot cleaning,
Start display or clean.
if you guys want to do turbo mode,
Turbo mode.
when you guys turn on turbo mode, it's definitely much louder. If you guys want to do wall cleaning,
Edge cleaning.
it's basically looking for a wall. Let's send it back home.
Back to charge. Start charging.
Alright, so definitely see that does work when you guys use remote. If you guys want to use the app, it should work as well. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice little quick test upon definitely see that she does work and she works quite well. So definitely really cool how she give you guys the option to use the remote control option on here. Or if you guys want to use the app, you can definitely do that as well. And definitely one thing to remember is that for the remote control, they don't provide you guys the battery. So you do need to have your own battery. But in see when she tests the product, it definitely works really well. It definitely gives you guys a pretty good coverage on here. And even if the product doesn't fully clean it in certain areas, you can definitely turn it on to manual mode or use remote control to control where you guys want to actually clean as well. So that way you guys don't have to use your hand to clean it. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing the product. Now the end question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this part right here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially trying to look for a high quality smart robot vacuum that can do everything on here. That also give you guys the option to use the remote control or the app control. Then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.